Hello, good morning, everybody. This is Betty with eXp Realty. I am here in Tampa, nice Tampa Club area, and I'm here with Zach Semple from the mortgage company because I decided this year every month you will have a video about mortgage, about investment, all about real estate and investment in Tampa Bay area. So today we decided to talk about the first steps. As you say, okay, this is New Year resolution. Okay, we're going to buy a house. Oh, where do I start? Okay, so as a realtor, I say always go. We have to check with a lender. So here he is. Zach is going to talk to us about the first steps to buy a house, especially here in this hot market right now, and we don't know, and the rates are going up. So he will tell us a little bit about it.
Hi everyone, Zeke Samples with Liberty Home Mortgage. Betty is completely right. The interest rates are slightly rising. There's always that factor of cost of waiting. With the interest rates rising and the cost of homes increasing, a lot of times people think that they should just wait to purchase a home, where in fact it's kind of the opposite. If you have, let's say, a $1,500 rent payment right now, and that rent payment, that $1,500 might equivalent into a $300,000 home purchase. But 6 months from now, that $1,500 doesn't have as much power, doesn't have as much purchase power. So with the cost of the homes rising, with the interest rates going up, that $300,000 might now lower to $250,000, which could put you in a different area completely in what you're looking for. So there's definitely some thoughts and some conversation to be had on those topics.
Okay, so for somebody who would like, okay, what's the first step? Talk to a lender. So what's the lender is going to check with you? Exactly what will you ask?
So the first thing to do is get an application completed. Speak with me. We basically will go over some questions with you, find a little bit out about you, our due diligence, if you will, for if you're self-employed, if you're hourly salary. Those are some important things to find out prior to the application. The application is in place to give you a pre-approval. So basically the pre-qualification is going to be the first thing that we have, and that's pretty much just looking at your credit score and your attestation of what you put in the application. But the pre-approval is what Betty would like to have to make an offer on a property.
Oh yeah.
And that's after I verify the documents that we spoke of on the phone, your assets to purchase the home and your income from the pay stubs.
Yeah, especially now we need the pre-approval because the market is so hot that you need to have all your papers ready so the seller see that you're ready to buy, and then we have more chance because we have some offers who don't go through because the lack of paperwork. So I'm a professional, I know what I'm doing, and that's why I said, okay, start with the pre-approval and then we can go shopping. So when we go shopping, then my job is to get you your dream home. So I have a question. What is the minimum credit score usually?
Right now, I would say the minimum credit score is a 620. The credit scores were accepted a little bit lower pre-COVID, but those COVID restrictions or precautions are still in place where the minimum credit score is a 620.
Okay, good. So, and then they say that when you don't have 620, like say you under 620, so then you will tell them how to get to the 620. Correct?
Right. We could do some due diligence with seeing how we could repair credit. I'm not a credit repair professional, but I do have somebody who I could refer them to look at those things, see if there's certain things that they could do to bring up their score, whether they should pay off something or pay down something. Those are conversations that we definitely have, and then we can kind of get an idea of when they could be ready down the road. So it's always good to keep that borrower encouraged and in the wheelhouse, so to speak. We don't we certainly don't just turn somebody away because the credit score is
Yeah.
low. We always want to make sure that we can help them be a homeowner in the future, because that's what it's all about.
Yeah, good. And then I was thinking about the down payment, because people say that, oh, I have to wait until I have 20% down payment, and but that will be I don't know when, or I have to ask my dad or my family. So, what would be the good advice?
So 20% down would allow you not to have mortgage insurance on your loan. But there are different loan programs. You can do as little as 3% down conventional, 3.5% down is FHA. But if you wanted to stay conventional, you can go as little as 3% down. Just depends on what the person's overall goals are and what they qualify for. Gift funds are accepted, so if they needed to go to a family member to get gift funds to put more money down, they could do so.
Okay, that's good. Good. And so, like everybody asks you, I'm sure, what are the interest rates? The market is hot, so is it going down or is it going up? So, yeah, so this is Zach, so he is going to tell you more about that.
So the interest rates out, when I get asked that question, especially if somebody's not under contract yet, I always say they're anywhere from between 2.5 to 4.5. And I say that kind of half jokingly because it just depends on so many factors, like credit score, property type. It depends on, the rates from when we started this video to where we're at right now in the video could have changed slightly. So it's something that we never really necessarily quote, but we do our best to give them the best interest rate possible based on the credit score and the loan setup.
So that means don't wait. You
Yes.
have to start now, because in 6 months it will be maybe impossible. The house will be higher price. So just call us and we'll be happy to help you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.